In a world where technology continues to evolve at an astonishing pace, there's one AI language model that stands out among the rest. In today's video, we will embark on a journey into the realm of the famous cutting-edge conversational AI of OpenAI, ChatGPT. Brace yourself as we uncover the secrets of this incredible AI language model, and explore how it can revolutionize the way we interact with technology. What exactly is ChatGPT? Well, ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it's an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like responses to text prompts, making conversations with AI more engaging and interactive than ever before. To begin using ChatGPT, you'll need to visit OpenAI's website or just simply type chat.openai.com. Once there, you will notice a user-friendly interface where you can interact with the AI in real time. Simply type in your prompt or statement, and ChatGPT will provide you with a response. It's like having a conversation with a virtual friend. ChatGPT is incredibly versatile and can be used in various fields. You can modify this message to guide the AI's behavior, a student needing help with assignments, or a developer seeking to enhance an app's functionality. ChatGPT has got you covered. Imagine the possibilities. You can turn to ChatGPT to draft blog posts, brainstorm marketing ideas, or even as a writing companion for creative endeavors. It's like having a super smart sidekick by your side, helping you achieve your goals. Now, let's delve into some strategies on how to use ChatGPT effectively. Here are my top tips. Be clear and specific with your prompts. Remember, ChatGPT is an AI language model, and it excels at understanding clear and specific inputs. The more precise your prompt, the better the response will be. For example, instead of asking, 5 tips to maintain attention, try asking, give me 5 tips on how to maintain attention in the class. Experiment with system prompts. ChatGPT includes a system message when you start the conversation. You can modify this message to guide the AI's behavior. For example, if you want a creative response, you can start with a prompt like, "You are an artist creating a masterpiece. Describe your vision." Be playful and explore different options to get the desired outcome. Utilize user instructions. Interactive tools, included in the interface, allow you to give high-level instructions to ChatGPT. You can specify the tone, encourage creativity, or ask the AI to think step by step. These instructions help mold the type of response you receive, making the conversation feel more personalized. Employ the system and user approach. Another useful technique is to alternate between user and system messages. The system messages act as guiding instructions for the AI, while the user messages elicit the desired response. This back-and-forth dialogue can result in more accurate and natural conversations. Provide feedback. OpenAI highly values user feedback to improve their models further. If you encounter incorrect or nonsensical responses, don't hesitate to leave feedback. By doing so, you contribute to the model's continuous learning and development, making it even more useful and reliable over time. So, there you have it. A brief overview of what ChatGPT is and how to effectively use it. Remember, this powerful AI language model can bring a whole new dimension to your online interactions by providing engaging and realistic conversations. But, as with any tool, it's essential to use it respectfully and responsibly. Let's use ChatGPT to create, to learn, and to connect. But let's also be mindful of the ethical considerations that come with it. We must strive for truth, respect, and empathy in our interactions, both online and offline.